Now we find the distance and displacement in all four cases. How we can calculate the distance and displacement in all four different cases. In the first case, if A is my initial position, I am start moving from A, moving towards B, then towards C and stay there. This one is my final position. This one is my final position and this one is my initial position. Then we have to find what will be the distance and what will be the displacement which is covered by me. Okay. Now in the case of distance will be 10 plus 10. I am moving in the direction of B, then turn around and moving the direction of C and stay there. It means this one is my final position. So I am covering 10 meter and 10 meter. Then it will be 10 meter plus 10 meter equals to 20 meter. This will be the distance. But in the case of displacement is the shortest length covered between these two positions. Shortest length between initial position and final position. And the shortest length is AC. Therefore, the displacement will be AC. Now we find the AC through Pythagoras triplet. The angle is 90 degree. Through Pythagoras triplet, we can find AC. AC is the hypotenuse in this case. It means AC equals to root 10 square plus 10 square means it will be root 200. It will be 10 root 2 equals to 10 into 1.414. So the AC will be 14.14 meter. 14.14 meter. The displacement will be 14.14 meter, whereas the distance will be 20 meter in this case. Both are different to each other. Now, in the second case, A is my initial position. A is my initial position. I am moving around a circular park. You can say it is a circular park. I am moving around a circular park. I am start moving from A in this direction, moves and stay in the same position. It means my initial position and my final positions both are same. I am starting from A and after traveling to its circumference, I stay at the same position. Then the distance will be total length cover. Distance is total length cover. I am moving in this direction and covers these distances. It means the total length covered is the circumference of this park. It means circumference of this circle. That is 2 pi r. That is 2 pi r means 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R is also 7, half of the diameter. Then it will be 44 meter. It will be 44 meter. But what about displacement? Now you have to find displacement. Displacement means change in position. I haven't changed my position. I am starting from A and I also rest at the position A. It means the displacement will be 0 meter. Displacement will be 0. It will be 0 meter. Now in this case, in the third case, I am moving. A is my initial position. I am start moving from here, moving in the direction of A towards B, then B towards C, then again I move C towards D. D is my final position. I am start moving from position A and I stay at the position D. Then what will be the distance? Distance will be 4 meter plus 6 meter plus 4 meter. It is total length covered. Means 4 meter plus 6 meter plus 4 meter. Then it will be 14 meter. then it will be 14 meter. But in the case of displacement, displacement is shortest length covered between A to D. AD is our displacement. If we join A to D, then it will be OB will be 3 meter and OC will be 3 meter. The line moves towards the midpoint, intersect BC at the midpoint. वो BD को BC को midpoint पे intersect करेगा. Then using the Pythagoras triplet, we have to find OD. Then OD will be, using Pythagoras triplet, OD will be root 3 square plus 4 square, means root 9 plus 16 means root 25, and the value of root 25 is 5 meter. It means OD will be 5 meter. Then what about AD? AD is our displacement. Then AD will be 2 into OD. It is the double of OD. It means 2 into 5 meter. Then AD will be 10 meter. Then displacement AD will be 10 meter. Therefore, the displacement will be 10 meter and distance will be 14 meter in this case. Now move towards the fourth sum. I am starting from position A, moving towards B, then moving towards C, then moving towards D, and I stay here. This one is my initial position and this one is my final position. Therefore, the distance will be 4 plus 6 plus 8. 4 plus 6 plus 8 meter means it will be 18 meter. But what about displacement? Displacement will be AD. We have to join AD in this case. AD will be our displacement. Then how we can find AD? This one is not moved through the midpoint, so we cannot divide 6 meter into 3 meter and 3 meter. So how I can find AD in this case? Draw an imaginary line parallel to the BC. Take as AM, join MC. The AM will be 6 meter because it is a rectangle, and the MC will be 4 meter. So by using Pythagoras triplet in right triangle AMD, by using Pythagoras triplet in right triangle AMD, we have to find AD. Then AD will be, in this case AD will be root 6 square plus MD square. MD square means 4 plus 8, 12 square, and 12 square. 6 square is root 36 and 12 square is root 144. Then it will be root 180. AD will be root 80. Find the value of root 80. It will be AD. If you find the value of root 180, then it will be AD. Now in this case the AD will be root 180. Okay.